So in this video, I'm going to talk a bit about the Orchestra docs and how they're laid out. Orchestra is a low-code orchestration and observability platform for kind of building data products. So everything in it should be pretty self-explanatory. If it's not, please let us know because it means we're not doing our jobs properly. But I wanted to go over the docs because I think it helps clarify how we think about orchestration and what some of the tasks actually do. So there are some cool concepts in Orchestra. There are, and we won't go through them now, but we have triggers, which basically determine how a pipeline or a product pipeline start. We have a connection, which is something we create to allow users to access other tools programmatically via Orchestra. Linked to this are integrations, and under this section we have a list of all of our integrations. And of course, with integrations, you trigger integration jobs. And integration jobs are basically the same thing as Airflow tasks, apart from instead of you being able to write any arbitrary Python code and say, that's a task, we tell you what tasks we have and what tasks we don't have. In terms of how we think about pipelines and tasks, we're fairly unopinionated. We're long-time users of tools like Airflow, and a lot of the concepts in terms of building a pipeline, which is basically a DAG, will be familiar to people that have used tools like Airflow or Preflow in the past. A task is pretty much exactly the same thing as it is in Airflow. The only difference is that in the UI, we automatically give people the ability to run sort of like task groups because we're a tool for data engineers, and often jobs which we want to sort of run, we kind of all want to run in parallel. So think data ingestion or running data quality tests, stuff like that. But yeah, these are our docs. Just wanted to show everyone around.